Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota 4Runner key fob. To begin, locate the small release button positioned on the side of your fob. Press this button firmly, then carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This action will expose a small slot or indentation, which is precisely where you'll start the process of gently prying open the key fob's casing. Now, take a small, flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into the slot you just revealed. With a gentle twisting motion, begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. It's important to apply steady, light pressure as you work your way around the seam to avoid any damage to the plastic casing. Take your time for a smooth opening. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert a brand new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's fully seated. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.